Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing 2 air fryers to help you decide which one to buy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews like this one. The Ninja AF101 air fryer looks sleek and modern in its matte black finish. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around. On the other hand, the Chefman TurboFry Touch is bigger with an 8-quart capacity that makes it ideal for family-sized meals. It also has an extra-large viewing window and bright interior light that allows you to monitor your food without opening the air fryer. Both air fryers use rapid air technology to cook food with little to no oil. But the Ninja AF101 has a wider temperature range that reaches up to 400 degrees F, which means you can cook and crisp food quickly. It also has a dehydrate function that can create dehydrated foods like chips that are perfect for middle-of-the-day snacking. Meanwhile, the Chefman TurboFry Touch has 4 one-touch cooking presets that make it easy to cook golden brown French fries, crispy fried chicken, tender meat, and delicate fish. Plus, its LED shake reminder makes sure that your food is evenly cooked. Cleaning is a breeze with both models. The Ninja AF101 has dishwasher-safe parts like its basket, crisper plate, and multi-layer rack. Meanwhile, the Chefman TurboFry Touch has a non-stick coating that makes it easy to wipe clean. Just remember to let both models cool down before cleaning them. The Ninja AF101 air fryer is priced at $99, while the Chefman TurboFry Touch costs $115. So, if you're on a budget, the Ninja AF101 may be the better choice for you. But if you want a bigger air fryer with more advanced features, then the Chefman TurboFry Touch is worth the extra investment. That's it for today's video. We hope this comparison helped you decide which air fryer is best for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews like this one. Thank you for watching.